Alright, hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Miss Mo. So this is going to be a quick video because I just want to show you all how to use the Natural Beauty Kit. Before I changed the name, it was called the Lipstick Removal Kit, but now it's called the Natural Beauty Kit because it's supposed to restore your natural beauty. So, like I mentioned previously, I'm going to be making more lipstick content because that's part of my joy. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you all how I take off this lipstick. So I've had this lipstick on since maybe 9 o'clock today, 9 a.m. today, and it is, what, 6, almost 7 o'clock. So it's been on for a while, a good like 8 hours or so. And I've been eating, and the color was a little bit more vibrant when I put it on, obviously. And this was a lipstick combo. So my base, in a way, color was Lip Bar. I did, my base covering was Lip Bar. My bad. So my base covering was Lip Bar, the color Playmate, and then I went over it with the NYX Suede Matte Lipstick, and this is the color Spicy. And then I put on top of it to make it a little bit, just a tad darker, I put the CoverGirl Outlast Ultimate Matte. And this is supposed to have up to 24 hours of wear. Okay. So maybe all those combinations help the lipstick in a way stay on longer than I expected it. But now it's nighttime and I want to take this off. So I'm going to do just that, but I'm going to be using the Natural Beauty Kit. So to start it all off, let me catch my words. Oh my goodness. To start it all off, what we're going to do is we want to add the lipstick remover to our lips. And so that is going to be in a container like this. And you just add the lipstick remover to your lips. Just a couple of drops. Woo. And you're going to rub it around. There's also going to be, you're going to rub it around, but there's also going to be other tools in the kit that you don't have to deal with all this messiness of it. So you're going to rub, get all in there. If you feel you need some more, definitely add some more, but it's not necessary. Ooh. It may not always be necessary, depending on what kind of lipstick you have. If it's like some super long lasting wear, then definitely add as much as you need. But rub it around. And as y'all can see, part of it's already dripping. Okay, and so then you're gonna get your what's this thing called? Makeup remover pad. You just want to wet it just a little bit, and this is also washable. So after you rub it, you're gonna use your makeup pad to wipe the lipstick away. And the good thing about this is that it also does a light scrub of the lips, which is always good because you don't want no crusty lips. Even if you're not about to put on the lipstick, any more lipstick. Crusty lips are not cute. Okay, so all the lipstick has been removed. Okay. But let's do it just one more time because there's still a little bit, some remnants of the lipstick. And this is how the makeup round is looking so far. And there's a little patch in here for your fingers so you can hold it. So we're gonna rub that around. Okay. So we're gonna wet it just a little bit more and then wipe off any excess lipstick. And now your lips are back to its natural, beautiful state. Okay, so we're not completely done yet. Because your lips are like clean now, it might feel a little like it's getting dry. So that's when we use the lip moisturizer. So this is a big jar, but there's a small lip moisturizer that, you know, look like a regular chapstick or a lip gloss type of container. But I don't have that right now. It's in my bag. But you can use this as an alternative if you don't have that with you, or if you run out. So you put that back on your lips. Moisturize that bitch. Because we don't believe in crusty lips over here. We don't believe in it, okay? Lips are moisturized, okay? So the last thing to do is, I'm a very big advocate, however you want to call it, of cleaning up your space. So, and just cleaning up your stuff. So what we're going to do here is, like I said, this is washable, but if you don't want to put it in a washer and dryer, you know, you can just wash it by hand, and that's where the cleanser comes in. So I'm telling you, NBK, you know, it's meant for the people, you know, it's meant for the busy people. So let me show you all how I'm doing this. So you just take some drops. This is the cleanser, and you just drop it on there. Okay, you don't gotta make that fart noise, but y'all get what I'm trying to do. And then, you know, you're gonna, it should be already wet because you just used it, but if not, you can wet it some more. This is just me scrubbing. Scrub, scrub, scrub. 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 Okay. I'm having too much fun by myself. Alright, so I pretty much got out all the lipstick. So this is how it looks now, and I haven't rinsed it off yet. So this is after using the cleanser. And so just rinse it off. And then if you want to do a double cleaning, which I'll definitely recommend, you know, after a couple of usage, definitely put it, you know, in the dryer, and definitely put it in your washer, your washing machine, and, you know, cleanse it like that too. So, and that's it. Your makeup pad is back to its normal state. And because it's kind of like a fiber, microfiber type of thing. I don't know. I ain't gonna say all that. But what I am gonna say is that just let it air dry. And yeah, that's about it. So that's how you use the Natural Beauty Kit. And like I mentioned this, when you purchase the product on the product card, I mentioned it. But all these products that I just used, it wasn't even a lot, it's probably at most 3. All these products that I just used are whole body friendly, because I believe in multifunctionality, okay? And the reason why I really like NBK is because it's fostered or is geared towards people that are kind of like on the move. That like you just need to get back to your natural state as quickly as possible in terms of like your beauty, as quickly as possible. And you don't need all these different types of cleansers and removers and like all this stuff that could be like a hassle to bring with you, especially when you're traveling. And so that's what NBK is really geared towards, the person that's really on the move. And, they on the move and they realize that, damn, my elbows are ashy. Let me get that lip moisturizer. Or, damn, something has happened. Like, just getting you two looking like real clean, real natural type of thing. Like, so, yeah, that's what NBK is like really geared, like the person or the person that the product is really geared towards. Like people that are really on the move, or, people who prefer to use less harsh chemicals or like harsh chemicals on their skin. NBK is really good for that too, because these are all like natural products, and simple products too, because it's simplicity over here, boo. Like beauty doesn't have to be so complicated, and especially your natural beauty doesn't have to be so complicated. So yeah, but that's how you use the kit. And if you would like to purchase the kit, just email me at mozoloveinc@gmail.com. and I can share with you an order form. But yeah, that's how it goes over here. Okay, all right. Moisturized lips. There's other tools in the kit too to keep your lips looking cute. I always have cute lips. Always have cute lips. But yeah, but that's about all for me. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.